Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Fahri Nur Rahman, nomor absen 2 NIM 14014190012 dari Rombel A. Pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan membuat video tentang materi pendidikan dasar. Video ini disusun untuk memenuhi salah satu mata kuliah public speaking yang diampu oleh Dr. Andes Isa Ansori MPD, Muhammad Farisko Irfan SPD MPD. Jurusan Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar, Fakultas Ilmu Pendidikan, Universitas Negeri Semarang. There are several concept maps. Number 1, title. Number 2, author. Number 3, introduction. Number 4, research methods. Number 5, result and discussion. Number 6, conclusion and suggestion. Title: About development of higher order thinking skill based 2013 curriculum assessment instrument in elementary school. Authors: Number 1, Mr. Mawar Pulungan. Number 2, Mrs. Toibah. Number 3, Mrs. Vina Amelia Suganda. Introduction. Curriculum 2013 is the applicable curriculum in the Indonesia education system. The 2013 curriculum has 3 aspects of assessment, namely aspect of knowledge, aspect of skill, and aspect of attitude and behavior. The 3 assessments in the 2013 curriculum include authentic assessment, higher order thinking skill or HOTS, or depth and broad thinking process that involve critical and creative information processing in dealing with and solving complex problems. HOTS is related to critical, logical, reflective, metacognitive, and creative thinking skill. In develop HOTS based assessment instrument in elementary school, there are several steps to preparing HOTS question, including A. Analyzing basic competency that can be used as HOTS question. B. Constructing a grade of question. C. Choose interesting and contextual stimuli. D. Write question item according to the question grade. E. Create assessment guidelines, rubric, or answer case. Research methods. Here research methods used is research and development methods. The cause of this development method is the need for research to develop and produce products from the object being developed. The R and D model defined by the AD model consists of 5 stages, namely analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Result and discussion. Product development learning model consisting of question card and HOTS-based assessment instrument. The result of the product validity tests were carried out by 6 validator consisting One class teacher as practical material expert validator came from the field of elementary school mathematics, elementary school Indonesian, elementary science, citizenship education, and social science. An example of the hard question instrument in elementary science class for recording energy source. There are four pictures as below. Based on the four pictures, explain the benefit of electrical energy for each. The validation sheet for expert in the 2013 HATS-based curriculum instrument is in table 2 and the recapitulation of the product validation result is shown in table 3. There are several 3 assessment aspects HATS or higher order thinking skill criteria HATS-based problem development. Number 2, construction criteria language user sentence clarity. Number 3, technical criteria full picture display design. Validator expert nilai maksimum skor atau presentasi validasi. Number 1, elementary school mathematics 24 valid. Elementary school Indonesian valid. Science valid. Citizenship education valid. Social science valid. Exercise valid. Limited assessment trial. The instrument carried out is in the form of giving a question necessary to determine the practicality of the hard question that have been designed. There are 2 trial, namely small group and one-on-one. Student response in small group to the hard question with a total score of meanwhile the student response were on to one step to the higher order thinking skill question with a total score of 81 or 83%. Finally, this failed test evaluation obtained an average score of 50 in the less effective category. Utilization of the 2013 curriculum assessment is used to form positive student attitudes and as a means to encourage student interest and motivation to homogeneous student thinking skill by group them based on their respective assessment. The development of assessment instrument based on the 2013 HATS curriculum has been carried out in the three stages, namely preliminary study, product development, and product testing. This from the several steps that have been passed in the development of the assessment based 2013 curriculum. It can be said that this product is valid, practical, but law effective. Conclusion and suggestion. Based on the result of the result and discussion, it can be concluded that the 2013 curriculum based on the HARTS assessment instrument development was declared valid by the validator with a percentage of 89.5%. The experimental result and the one-on-one and small group studies show that the assessment instrument or HARTS question has a very good level of practicality, which is 84.3% for one-on-one. In the small group study, the percentage is 83.2%. Suggestion regarding the development of the 2013 HARTS-based curriculum assessment instrument in elementary school. So we really hope for criticism and suggestion from readers so that we can improve on the shortcomings that exist in this journal. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.